Vanilla.
Good afternoon, all of you. I am Sweetie Goyal. I belong to Delhi. I have completed my senior secondary education from an aided school with 92%. I have done diploma in elementary education from Right Daryaganj SCRD Delhi. I bring along a total of 3 years experience in Delhi government as well as MCD. Currently, I am working as a contract teacher under SSA in an SKV school in Delhi government. If I talk about my family background, my father is a business person and my mother is a housewife. And we are total of 5 members in my family. One of my brother is graduate from Delhi University and second one is pursuing economics honors from Hansraj College. If I talk about my strengths, I am dedicated to my work and I complete my work before deadline. And I love teaching. I want to pursue my career in teaching and the ultimate goal of my life is to become a successful teacher. Thank you. That's all about my journey. Thank you.
Sweetie, when did you realize your goal is to become a teacher?
Because I mentioned one thing. I want to become a successful teacher.
When did you realize? When did you realize?
I realized in 10th standard, when I was in 10th standard. And I checked the qualities of my teachers. The qualities which I noticed. There was too many qualities. That one quality was that we teach students, and teaching is the mother of all the professions. I know you will agree this. If a doctor or an engineer or any other person or a bank manager, all are given by a teacher. So the teacher is the mother of all those students. So I prefer this career, and I love teaching. And I teach students through innovative methods rather than cramming based.
If you choose a doctor profession, you will become a god rather than mother.
Sorry?
If you choose doctor profession, you can become a god rather than mother.
Right, doctor is a god for all of you, for all of us. But one thing, if we pursue our career in that field in which we are interested, then we do best.
Better.
We can get excel in that field. So I preferred this career.
You have 3 years experience.
Yeah.
So can you explain anything you find important or anything? Express in few words about your 3 year experience.
In starting, when I completed my diploma, I joined an SKD school, and there I learned so many things, that our children come from poor background and there is diversity in our classroom. If we go in any private school, we get children from high class family, only high class family. But if we go in any government school, we get students from diverse culture, diverse background. So that is the main thing which I felt, that I got opportunity to teach various students which are from various culture. And the next thing that I learned so many things in 3 years regarding teaching and other work also. I got opportunity to do other work rather than teaching, and I taught upper primary students also. So that was the best part for me, that I was a primary teacher but still I was getting opportunity to teach upper primary students.
Why we select you?
So it depends on you. Why should you select me? But 2 or 3 qualities which I have, so I thought you should select me for those qualities. I have teaching competency, and as already I mentioned that I do my work with dedication. So this is the combination of all these qualities. If I have teaching competency, then I can do each and everything regarding teaching and motivation, good communicator, and other locality work also, because a teacher is a person who doesn't have responsibility of teaching students. He has responsibility as a leader also, as a society member also. So he has to work for other purpose also. So this is the main thing.
But you will not get the opportunity to teach only lower class families students in a KVS. So why you want to teach?
I know KVS was established for central government employees who has transferable jobs. So it doesn't matter. And even I think you people also agree that government employees are not from so high standard and not from low standard. They are from all the area. ये डिसाइडेड नहीं होता कि भाई ये गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय है तो वो हाई क्लास फैमिली से होगा, वो हाई से भी हो सकता है, वो बिलो से भी हो सकता है, वो मिडिल से भी हो सकता है. तो वी गेट स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम दोज फैमिलीज. सो आई लाइक टू टीच दोज स्टूडेंट्स.